am I? Where am I? Who are you? Who are you? What the hell? Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Hello, James, Justin, and Jake. I want to play a game of life or death. So today, so you wonder why you're here. Well, today I'm going to punish you for your crimes you did and other stuff you did. You have two weapons behind you, and you have to fight to the death with the chains on your saw. And if one of y'all falls in, you win. If both of y'all doesn't do it and the time runs out, you both die. You have 15 minutes left. Let the games begin. Let the games begin. Wait. Let the games begin. Anyway. Okay. Bring. Oh, okay. Okay. I need a pickaxe. What the fuck? Hey, get it off! Die, you die! Die! How you take this? Take this! Die, you little nigga! Ah! The blood. But congratulations, Justin. You survived the round. And don't worry, you're still alive, but you will never know what's gonna hit because you're going to be back for the next game. I survived. Now I gotta get out. I have to get out of here. Oh God, this is gross. Why did I even have to play this game? Oh, I did it. I survived. The end.